Okay, so recording started, and till now, what are the concepts we discussed in the relationship?
One to many, one to one.
In one to many, how many types are there again?
Two types.
Two types. One is
Lookup summary, lookup and master data level.
yes. After that, we discussed one more concept also. What is that?
One to one.
Uh, okay, one to one and one to many, which means lookup relationship, master detail relationship, and one to one relationship. We just
Roll up summary.
roll up summary also we discussed. Okay, rest is many to many relationship. So we covered one to many and one to one relationship, right? Now the rest is many to many relationship. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the many to many relationship. Okay. The relationship name called as many to many relationship. Okay. By seeing the name, can we understand like what is the meaning of many to many relationship? By seeing the name itself, relationship name itself, at least can we understand the what will be the kind of relationship between the two objects. Okay, in one see in one to many relationship, what is the configuration here? I mean, what is the relationship behavior?
One parent may have more than one child.
Huh. One means one parent record, many one too many means many from child record, child object only, right? So that is called one to many.
Yes.
One parent, many childs. Okay. Then one to one relationship means
One parent, one child.
yes.
One parent record to one child.
One parent record to one. Thus, in the similar way, can we guess like what is many to many relationship?
Many parents
Many
have one
parents
child.
records to many child
Yes,
records.
many parents to many childs, which means more than one parent may be associated with the single object or multiple, say, single record or multiple child records, and the one child record may be associated with the more than one parents, vice versa. Got it? Clear? Wait,
Okay. Hmm.
let me
Yeah.
tell you. Okay, see, in this is the previous lookup examples of table. I just taken it again. So let's consider it's a hiring manager. Just leave about it's considered as a one parent object. It's a child object. Okay. Here there are three records are there. One is Suresh, Ramesh, and Lokesh. Okay. Here likewise I didn't mention the details, but we are considering it these rows as a records means child records. This is one record. This is one record. This is one record. Like this we consider. So here, what it is, one parent record is having the more than one child, right? This child is associated with this parent, and this child record is also associated with this parent. Same likewise, Ramesh parent record is having the three child records: second child record, third child record, and sixth child record. Okay. Same ways, Lokesh is having the one record, that is I think fourth record. So here only a parent is having the multiple child records, but no child is having the multiple parents. Can you see? This child record is having only one parent. This child record is having only one parent. This child record is having only one parent. This one, this one, this one. So no one child record is associated with the multiple parent. Like this, no child record is there. Like this. Got it? Clear? So, in many to many relationship, what we will get now? See, what we are discussing. One parent will have the more than one child. In the same way, child also will have the more than one parent record like this. Now, this child may be connected with this also, and this record, maybe leave it, and maybe this is connected with this also. See, this child record is having a two parents, one is Lokesh and Ramesh. Same, this child record is also having Ramesh and Suresh. This child record is having Suresh and Lokesh. Understood?
Yes, అర్థమైంది.
Remaining Taraka and Jibin.
అర్థమైంది.
I got it.
Jibin, got it?
Hello?
Yes,
Can you hear me?
yes, yes,
Hello?
I can hear you,
Ah,
Jibin.
yeah, I got it.
Okay.
I
See,
got it.
in many to many relation, what will happen now? Maybe some kind of requirement we may got that one parent record will have the more than child, more than one child. At the same way, one child will have the more than one parents. Then in that case, we have to capture the data. Okay, how many parents are related to one child, or one child, how many parents are there? This type of requirement we have to maintain. So for this, which type of relationship, by using which type of relationship we can achieve this requirement, means by using a many to many relationship we can tackle this type of requirement. Okay, we have to go with the many to many relationship. Okay. Okay, in between we have to go with the many to many relationship. It's called many to many relationship. Okay, okay, fine. We are having a two objects. Lately, maybe hiring manager and position is the examples, or we can take the position and candidate also will be there. Okay, we can take the any of the two objects, but to get this many to many relationship, what we need now? We need a junction object. We need a junction object. Okay, why this junction object? Okay, yeah, we don't have place. We need a junction object. By using the junction object, we can create a many to many relationship. Okay, I'll tell you now how it is. So now here the parents records data will be there, in the child of the child record data will be there. The connection we need to get, like what are the childs related to this parent, at the same time what are the parents are related to this child records. So we have to create a junction object. So if you want to achieve a master detailed relationship, junction object is the key point. Without junction object we cannot get the many to many relationship. Okay, how we can configure the many to many relationship, means we have to create a one junction object. From that junction object we need to have a two master detailed relationships with the parent records. Now this will be the parent, and this will be the parent, and this is the child record. Okay, this is a parent one object, this is the parent two object, and this is the child object. So in many to many relationship, what is the child object, means junction object is the child object. Okay, this will be the junction object will be the child object, and these two will be the parent one and parent two. Maybe if you create a master detail relationship first with this hiring manager, then this will become the primary parent object. Means first you are going to create a master detail relationship, then it will be the primary master detail relationship or primary parent object. Next you have to create a one more master detail relationship from this child to this parent object, then this will be the secondary parent object or secondary master data relationship. Okay, that our limitation is also like we can have a up to two master detail relationships per an object, right? Like this we can create a many to many relationship, and this data we can maintain in this junction object. Okay, got it? Hope you guys are clear. Okay, clear or not? Okay, let's go on to create a master data relationship. We need to, if you want to get a many to
Okay.
many relationship, we have to create a master data relationship. Okay,
ఒక నాకు అర్థమైంది ఏంటంటే సో పేరెంట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్కి చైల్డ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్కి ఏదైనా మెనీ టు మెనీ రిలేషన్షిప్ క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు జంక్షన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది చైల్డ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కింద వస్తుంది.
Jagdish, మళ్ళీ చెప్పు.
సో మెనీ టు మెనీ రిలేషన్షిప్లో పేరెంట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్కి చైల్డ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్కి క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు జంక్షన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది చైల్డ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్గా క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది అక్క.
ఎస్, చైల్డ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్లుగా యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఎస్, yes, maybe if mean two objects will be there. Okay, let's take our example whether hiring a manager and position is there, or else like candidate object, position object. Take any of the two objects. Okay, maybe there will be a more than one hiring manager. Maybe two HRs will be there. Suresh and Ramesh. The same way, like there will be multiple positions. They both are handling. Okay, they need to have the relation. Mean a position should be,
ఓకే.
one position should be associated with the two parents, and one parent, one HR will be maybe handling the more than one position. Like this will be there, no?
ఓకే.
Maybe
ఎస్.
senior HR, like a junior HR. Maybe this position is having a two to three HR levels will be there. In that case, we
ఓకే.
need to get this type of requirement. We have to save this data somewhere. Okay, it's not a one way, it's a two way. It's a two-way relationship. That's why we will
ఓకే.
go with
ఓకే.
the new object. We can store that information in this junction object. Like which parent is
ఓకే.
having a how many parent how many child records, and this which child record is having the how many parent records and what are they. That information we can see in the junction object.
ఓకే.
Okay. Okay. Let me create. Then
అర్థమైందక్క.
you guys will understood it clearly. Okay. Okay. Let's create a many to many relationship between a hiring manager to position. Okay, hiring manager to position. First what we have to do, first we have to create, before going to create a relationship, first we have to get a junction object. From here only we need to have a master data relationship with the parent objects, right? Now we have to create a junction object. Okay, right? First we have to create a junction object. We don't have a object, right? Just go to the object manager. Let's create a one object. Okay, let's create an object. I am just naming it as a HR and positions. Likewise, I'm just naming the junction object. Okay, the common data we are searching here, right? Likewise, that's why I'm just giving as a HR and positions. Okay, same text HR and position name. Take the auto number, display format. I'm just creating a object. Okay, now we have created a one object, one junction object. I'm just selecting the tab style and it's a default on for everyone. Just click on next. Okay, just click on save. Now the object is the junction object name is HR and positions. It is a it is created. Okay, just type for HR. This object will come. Now this is the junction hub. In our requirement, many to many relationship, one parent record is sorry, one parent object is hiring manager. Second object is position. Now we have to configure a many-to-many relationship between these two objects. For that, we need a junction object that is current position. Why am I giving this underscore c? What is the meaning of this underscore c?
Custom object.
Custom object. Good. So now we have a one junction object. So we have created a this junction object. Now what is our next step? We are having the three objects. Hiring manager is there, position object is there, even junction object also there. Now what is our next step will be? We have to create a
Create a master data lake.
relationship from this junction objects to parent records. This is also parent record, this is also parent, but this will be the parent primary parent parent, this will be the secondary parent object. Okay, let's create a relationship. So now I'm going to create a relationship from uh, junction object to this hiring manager. What is our junction object? HR and position. I just open this, go to relationship, just click on new, just select the master data relationship. Okay, let's click on next. What is the parent record here? Hiring I'm selecting, right? Hiring manager will be the parent. Just click on next. So hiring manager, okay, relationship. Just click on next. Click on next. Next. Save it. See, we have created a master detail with the hiring manager, right? For the HR and position. Now, same likewise, I'll create a one more master detail relationship to the position object. Let's click on new. Just click on master detail relationship. Just click on next. Here, position. This is the custom object, right? Let's click on next. Position will be the look up the field name will be the position only. Just click on next. 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 Save. Okay, clear. In last class, while discussing about the master detail relationship, if the child object is not having the parent records, we are not able to create a master detail relationship. Right now, we are able to create a master detail relationship easy. Why? Because junction object is the new object, right? Junction object is not having the records. That's why it's very easy to create a master data relationships. I'm just giving you one point only here. Okay, don't confuse with that. So now let's see HR object. Let's see how many master data relationships are there. Okay, two master data relationships are there. Okay, what is our limitation in master data relationship? We can have per object we can have only two master data relationship. More than two we cannot get it, right? That's what. Clear? Okay, our configuration also done. What is that? Like creating a junction object and having the master data relationship with the two parent objects. Everything is fine. Let's go and test it. Okay, this is how we can create a many to many relationship. Let's go to the UI. Okay, here the HR will be there. No, see now hiring managers. Let's take it into middle of these two. Okay, hiring manager is the one parent, position is the one parent. In between, HR and positions is the junction object. Okay, now we have configured the many to many relationship between these two, right? Hiring managers, oh, spelling mistake, sorry. Hiring managers and positions. Okay, let's see about this HR and position. Okay, let's click on new. What is there here? We are having a two look I mean relationship fields inside. If you have a this lookup symbol inside the field, what it is mean, it's a relationship field. So likewise we are having the two relationship field. This is the one master data relationship field, this is the one another master data relationship field. Okay, now what we are discussing, like we can maintain the data, like which parent is having the which child and which child is having which parent, and this how many the count in between them, all we can maintain in this junction object. That's what we are discussing, right? Let's see in hiring manager one record is there, in position also the these many records are there. Let's create a one more record, or two records inside the hiring manager first before testing the master data relationship, sorry, many to many relationship. Let's clone it, let me create it. This is the Rogers, I'm just saving. Create one more hiring manager. Now we are having a three records into the primary parent object, that is called hiring manager, and we are having the I think five child, means five records in the secondary parent object. Now these two are the parent records only. Now this will be the act as a child object, HR and position. Now the thing is, uh, maybe for this junior developer, parent is the Suresh. Okay, means hiring manager is the Suresh, right? And if you take one other here, also hiring manager is Suresh. Maybe previously only one parent record was there. That's why each and every child record is having the same parent. If you go to this related list, see, we are having a positions is having a five positions under the Suresh parent record. Suresh parent record is having the five child records, right, from the position. Previously, I'm saying like not about not now. Previously, we are having the lookup relationship, right? That time we just converted it as a master data relationship. That day we just configured all the parent as a Suresh only for all the child records, right? Now see, by seeing here each and record we are getting. But now the requirement is the same. See, now the one Suresh is having the multiple childs here. For example, if a same senior developer, if I open this, here the senior developer is having a parent as a Suresh. Maybe the same senior developer position may have the one more parent called maybe Ram or Rajesh. Then how we can maintain this data, means we can maintain this data in the this HR and positions. Okay, how we can maintain, let's create new. I'll tell you how we can maintain. Just click on here hiring manager, you can see all the records. Let's select the RAM. Okay, let's select the position. Now as of now all these positions are associated with the Suresh parent only, right? Now let's select senior developer. Here, what is the hiring manager? Ram, and position is the senior developer. Let's save. Okay. Now go to this HR. Just go to this Ram. Just go to this related. See. who is having here? Now positions is became a zero, but here we are having the record called position is the senior developer, for this hiring manager is the RAM. This data we are maintaining in the junction object. Okay, just go and check another also means Suresh. Just go to related records. See here, HR and positions are zero because we haven't created any record in the HR and positions. That's why it is not coming here. Okay, this is how we can maintain. So let's just we have for the hiring manager RAM, we have the position senior developer. Let's create a for senior developer one more parent. Okay, just click on next. Rajesh is the another parent, but position is the senior developer. Means it's a child record only, right? Previously. That's what. Just click on next. Okay. Go and have a check in the ROM. Now this ROM will have the two records. Rajesh, I think say I created, not ROM. For Rajesh. Go and check. He will have one HR and positions. See if you open this here, hiring manager is Rajesh and position is the senior developer. Okay. And if you create one more, now this time for same Rajesh, I'll associate it with the junior developer. Okay, see hiring manager is the Rajesh and position is the junior developer. May same again, maybe hiring manager will be the different, maybe Ram, same position as the junior developer, which means I am associated one child with the different parents, right? Previously, now this is the junior developer with the Ram, previous junior developer with the Rajesh. That way. Go on and have a look on this. See, same. This HR and positions data will be present in both parent related records. See, if you go to this hiring manager parent, if you open this parent, if you check here, we are having the HR and positions related records. Same ways in the positions also, if you open any of the child record or the parent record, you will have the data inside this. Okay, got it? If you open this, here you will come to know that Ram is having the position as senior developer. Okay, got it? This is how we can maintain the data. See, if you see, let me create a list view. Let me click on name, all field, select a field to display. Let's save it. See, now here you guys can see clearly. See, position is the senior developer, hiring manager is the Ram. Same senior developer is having the hiring manager is a Rajesh. Same Rajesh is having the junior developer. Same Ram is having the junior developer. Here, let's consider Ram is having a one parent, means parent. This is the parent, right? Means let's consider it's a parent. One Ram, right, having the two positions, senior developer and junior developer. At the same time, senior developer is having the two developers. One is Ram, second thing is Rajesh. Here also, junior developer is having the two hiring managers. One is Rajesh and Ram. So here, one record is having a multiple records, and this record also having multiple records, right? Child is also having a multiple parents, and parent is also having the multiple childs. Is it clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tara, you are trying to say something.
Yeah, yes, sir, clear.
Clear, kada? So yes, Jibin and Jagdish, you guys got it.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Jagdish.
Yes.
Yeah, అర్థమైంది అక్క.
This is how we can go with the many to many relationship. For example, interviews may ask you that how to go with the many to many relationship. What is the many to many relationship? They will ask you. Then you have to tell this scenario. Maybe if you want to have a relationship, or if you want to have a connection between one parent to multiple children and one child to multiple parents, then we have to go with the many to many relationship type. But they will ask you like, is there any data type like many to many relationship, same as master data relationship and lookup relationship? No, right? We don't have many to many relationship data type directly. So if you want to configure a many to many relationship, first you have to create a two master detail relationship. You have to connect with the two objects with the master detail relationships like this. You have to connect between these two objects with the master data relationship. For that, you need one junction object where you can maintain the all the data, means parent to child and child to parent connections you can maintain in the junction object. Okay, to to get the many to many relationship, junction object is the mandatory. Without having junction object, we cannot create a many to many relationship. Okay, interviews may ask you like like this: what is junction object? Then you have to tell junction object is used to create or else junction object is used to have a many to many relationship connection between a two objects. Then we have to go with the junction object. Junction object will store the uh, junction object will behave as a child, and it will have the data like which parent is having the child, what are the child, and which child is having the what are the parents. This type of data we can maintain in the junction object. Like this we need to answer them. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Okay, fine. I think hope you guys are clear. If any doubt, let me know.